Samantala, matatandaang noong nakaraang taon, matinding sinalanta ng Bagyong Pablo ang ilang bahagi ng Mindanao, partikular na ang Cagayan de Oro. Sa ngayon, marami pa rin sa mga biktima ang hindi pa nakababangon dulot ng trahedya. Kaya muling nanawagan ng tulong ang United Nations para sa mga biktima ni Pablo. Balitaan mo kami, George Bandola.
6 na buwan matapos ang pananalasa ng Bagyong Pablo sa Mindanao, inulit ng United Nations ang panawagan nito para matulungan ang mga biktima ng Bagyong Pablo mula sa kanilang international flash appeal na $91 million, $47 million para ang kailangan para makabangon ng mga nasalanta ng bagyo. Isama pa dito ang mga taong naapektuhan din ng mga nakaraang bakbakan sa Central.
Of those who are displaced by previous conflicts. They were more focusing on humanitarian needs of the day. Maybe that was a reflection also of the focus of the mission on humanitarian needs. So they were talking about the needs in shelter, food, feeding in the schools, food, health, and education for children, daycare centers. I think that was the main focus of the mission, and that was the main topics of discussion with the local population there.
Bukod sa mga pagkain, higit na kailangan ng mga taga Mindanao ngayon ng mga tulong para sa permanenteng matitirahan, kalusugan at kabuhayan.
In Pablo-affected areas and in other parts of Mindanao. As has been said before, the needs are in the areas of livelihoods, to enabling people to get back on their feet, debris clearance, health, education, and food security. Food assistance will continue to be provided to the most vulnerable, also going into the second part of the year as well.
Hindi naman daw nagpapabaya ang pamahalaan ng Pilipinas. Sa katunayan, ang mga tulong na ipagkakaloob sa United Nations ay direktang dumadaan sa Department of Social Welfare and Development. Pero inamin ng United Nations na underfunded pa rin sila pagdating sa Mindanao para sa mga biktima ng bakbakan doon.
We know that this recurrent displacement really generates activity in the community and the families, and that it really needs that the families keep their children in school, carry on with their livelihoods, and it's been management they have been managing this for very long. So
Ang appeal para sa $47 million ay mananatili hanggang matapos ang taong 2013. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandol.